What you doing, baby Sarah Lee?
Color.
Color. Wow. So cherry is a color red? Okay. How about
The ladybug is red.
Yes.
And the bowl. And the bowl is red.
Yes.
Oh. Mommy, there's the other page.
Yes.
Wow, I know the page, Mommy. Where is it? This is a rainbow.
Yes. Later you can make it color.
Mommy, we check this out. We have to check this. It said you check it. Like my book, I will check.
Yeah, but you have to finish it. Okay, make sure that the color not going to the outside of the objects. Because it's so nice if you perfectly color it.
And the leaf.
Yes. Heart. So, that's a heart, right?
Heart is red.
Yes, of course. Do you love Mommy? How about Daddy?
Sunflower is... I know the sunflower, Mommy. Look like it's a sun, but it's not a sun. Oh, there's so many. Mommy. Oh, there's the... Mommy, we go after this one and we go here. There's the sun. We connect the dots.
Yes.
Oh, I know that dot.
Oh, in your school you do it already?
No.
Not yet?
Mommy, guys, I going to bring this at school.
No, you just leave it here because that's not book for school.
Oh,
That's for study only.
For study at home, I thought
Yes.
it's at school.
Oh, make sure that the color not going to the outside of that objects so that it's nice to see, right? Try to perfectly color it. Make sure your color not going to the outside. Okay?
Mommy, why? Oh, why is so many red?
The instruction there is name the object and color the red.
Wait, this
Only
is a
at red.
dream?
Yes.
Dream! The carrot is orange, that one is orange, and this is leaves. It's green.
Okay.
There's another dream. It's the same. Oh, we check it. We check it. Which one is the correct and the same?
Because here the instruction here is name the object and color the orange. So them on orange.
This is the same, Mommy. Here.
Yes, but here is spot check if the object is color orange. So here is the same because but the different
This is the
instructions.
same.
Yes.
Too. I know the color.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. You're so very busy. You're so cute, baby.
I know.
No. Make sure your color not going to the outside of the objects, so that the output is very beautiful. Like that, yeah. You're almost do it perfect.
Yeah, I'm done.
And make sure the gumamela too.
Why is red?
Yes.
Why is red, Mommy?
Yeah. Because red is beautiful for the flowers, right? But actually, you can put it yellow because gumamela has also yellow color, I think.
Why is over there? Why is over there, Mommy? It's different color, Mommy.
Yes.
The camera have different color because it have different color, red and blue, orange and green and